Hi, I'm McEwan from the Interactions Lab at the University of Calgary. I'm going to demonstrate the Community Bar system. Community Bar is an informal awareness and casual interaction tool displayed in a space-conservative sidebar. The sidebar contains many different types of multimedia items such as presence items for awareness of people, chat items for text conversation, web items for sharing web links, sticky note items to make announcements, and activity items for organizing events. Moving the mouse pointer over items raises a large tooltip called a tooltip grande with more information and opportunities for interaction. Clicking on the title bar of the tooltip grande raises a separate window with full information and interaction for that media item. Community Bar supports concurrent membership and view of multiple group places. Using the Places tooltip grande, people can join existing places by ticking the checkboxes. They can also easily create new places by entering the place name. Note how media items shrink when the bar becomes full. There'll be more about this later. Content can be quickly added to the new place using existing items and by adding new items using the Place tooltip grande. The new place is easily populated by inviting others to join. Here we see how the invitation appears to the receiver. By clicking the Accept button, the invitation receiver is added to the place and can immediately participate. Later, when the need for the place is over, members can leave the place by using the Places tooltip grande again. The last member to leave is presented with the option to delete the place. With these lightweight mechanisms, Community Bar supports both ad hoc transitory groups and longer-lived groups. Community Bar supports the transition from awareness to interaction. For example, this chat item shows the last part of the conversation and that it has new information by changing color. Inspecting the item raises the tooltip grande, which shows more of the conversation and allows sending messages. The chat item full view shows the full conversation, the people in the place who can view it, and who is currently typing. In a similar manner, the presence item display in the bar shows small video feed or a static picture. The presence tooltip grande shows larger video, status information, and the invite to place button. The presence full view shows larger, higher frame rate video and the static picture. It also provides a push-to-talk function to interact with the person. Hey Petra, do you have that paper for me?
Sure, I'll send it over.
Community Bar provides controls to manage individual focus on people, objects, and places. On the tooltip grande for each media item, there is a slider that allows the user to adjust the size of the item display in the bar. As the display size changes, the item changes the information it displays to fit. For example, as the focus on this presence item is decreased, the video gets smaller and slower, then a static picture is shown, then name and message, then just the name, and finally, just a color bar that changes color to show status. Place tooltip grandes also have a focus slider that affects all the items in the place. Community Bar also provides facilities for a user to manage their presence in each place. The tooltip grande for my presence item allows me to enter a text message, change my status, and choose a static picture. The full view for my presence item provides even more control over my presence in the place. I can select whether others are able to see the larger, faster video of me, and I can also limit how others can see me on their sidebar. As I move the slider, it changes the view that others have of me, successively removing video, static picture, and then text message until I am just a name. Using these presence controls, individuals can display themselves differently in each place. Community Bar is in active use in our lab. The following is a time-lapse of typical use over roughly an hour.